family. Welcome back. Hey, welcome back. Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel, we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, let's just talk about my favorites from the tray, okay? I will say I did cheat a little bit more this tray. No shade on my tray, right? You all know, like, I have no rules to my tray, but I love to come to you all with my top picks, you know, from my tray or just from my month, okay? And so this month is for the month of October. You all know I do this video normally the end of the month. So let's get into what were my top 5 fragrances from my tray, and actually one that wasn't. Okay, let's get into it, shall we? Yeah, let's. First up, she needs no introduction. I've talked about her 100 times, and you knew she was gonna be here. You knew she was showing up. She was showing up and gonna show out, and she already did. Mahni Cassonade. Like, I'm telling you all, I hope you all dust her off and pulled her out. Not up, but out. Honey, the ice cream, the creaminess. Are you all experiencing what I am experiencing? Okay. She is doing amazing. I love it. I mean, again, the ice cream in this, I got so many compliments, okay? So many compliments with this fragrance. Like, to a point, somebody was like smelling the room, like, who smells like that? And I knew it was me because I was sitting right beside the person. But you know, you don't want to be like, oh, it's me. You know, if they smell me and then compliment me, cool. But you don't want to be like, oh, it's me. But I knew it was me. I should have just said it was me. Anyway. But from Navitus, okay, in partnership with Sharita M, Mahni Cassonade, a banger. Amazing. And I hope you're getting your life with that gourmand, vanilla deliciousness of an ice cream type of scent. Hope you're getting your life. All right, moving on. Next up, I do need to apologize on this one. Public service announcement. Yeah. Now, I know I said about this fragrance that you shouldn't wear this to this, and you shouldn't be wearing this to church, and you shouldn't be wearing it to this place unless you try to do something. I know that's what I said. I know. I said it. So I do apologize because I don't actually know why I wore this to work. I picked it up, and instead of like a date night or something like that, because it's really sexy, I wore it to the unsexiness of work. I sure did. I sure did. But was I smelling good? I sure was. Did I get a compliment? Sure did. And I laughed. I laughed because they were like, what do you have on? And I was like, laughing hard. I said, initio's Aphrodisiac. That's what I said. I laughed at myself because I said, I do not, like, why are you wearing this? Like, you know what you're doing when you wear this, right? Yeah, I wore it to work. No intense purpose on, you know, getting down in the dirty. You know, it's just, I picked it up and I just wanted to smell beautiful and, you know, for vanilla. And I've got many compliments. Actually, from women and men, okay? This is dangerous, okay? So if you're going to wear this to work like I did, just proceed with caution. If you're going to wear it to church like I didn't, I didn't wear it to church. Now, are you wearing this to church? Now, if you are wearing it, it's fine. At this point, you wear whatever you want to wear, of course. But if you're wearing this to church, tell me what happened. Put that in the comments. If you wore an Aphrodisiac to church, tell me what happened. Okay. Because you have to have some type of story wearing this to church. And I'm all ears. Moving on. Another top on my list from my tray for October. I came to talk. For October, you all knew it was going to be here. And I don't need to say much. I've been saying it. Ebony Woods. Zara. Yeah, sure did. I feel like I wore Ebony Woods with just about everything. I paired her with Mahni Cassonade. I paired her with Afro. I paired her with just about everybody. Yeah, just about everybody on my tray. So, needless to say, she's been getting her wares. But I will say, she's like, don't do me. Because I've also wore her by herself, working from home. And she said, stop playing with me, okay? Because, if you all remember, I've been doing my walks or back on my, not running, but like fast walks, right? And I've been like listening to this book and all the things, right? And I told you I'm trying to be more intentional about taking my lunch, blah, blah, blah. Anyway, okay, with me walking fast and getting my little exercise in, she's been sticking to my neck like, you thought I was going somewhere? Didn't. I mean, she has been speaking very loud, okay? And she has not been very cutesy and demure about speaking to me. And I've appreciated it. It's been fine. She's gotten out of sorts a little bit, but I know who she is, and she's been working very well, okay? So if you have Ebony Woods, sis, pull her out. Because for this season, honey, you don't know if it's summer, fall. I went outside in all the sweaters, and it was 80 degrees when I stepped out of work. When I came to work, it was 40. It's one of them. You all know. It's weather all over the place. It don't know what it wants to do. But I wanted to stay fall. I really wanted to because I really thought I was doing something today with my boots. And I was just putting it on. And this lady was like, dang, you ready for fall, ain't you? How you enjoying that 80-degree weather? I said, oh, you got jokes. But I still look cute. Moving on. Next up, you all knew this was going to be on there. Like, you all just know. Like, because I've been talking about, no surprise here. Honey, a whole cookie. A whole vanilla cookie. Yeah. I'm addicted. Look. A whole cookie. Yeah. It's beautiful. Okay. And this is vanilla royal sugar patchouli. You all don't have to read it just like that. But this is so good. All right. Some of the things it has like rum, creme brulee, brown sugar, vanilla. It's so good, okay? If you pair this with this combination, compliments all day, okay? Mahni Cassonade showed herself out. But if you put kayali with this, thank me later. And just be very careful. Okay, be very careful. If you don't want to talk to nobody, don't put this together. Because they're going to talk about you. They're going to compliment you. They're going to ask you, what are you wearing? Okay, take a picture of it if you don't remember. They're going to ask you what you're wearing. And then you're going to come back, put it in the comment section. You're going to be like, sis, you told me and you was right. The people wouldn't leave me alone. It's going to be like that. But good luck. Good luck in them streets wearing this. Amazing. Beautiful chef's kiss. Okay, moving on. And last but certainly not least, the last one that was not on my tray, but I don't know what it has been about this fragrance and why I kept reaching for it. To a point, my travel size is almost gone. Okay, I went to my full bottle because I'm like, oh my goodness, like, what am I going to wear? What am I? Like, this has been a staple this October, and it should have been on the tray. And I don't know what made me pick her up, but Si Passione, Giorgioarmani, Si Passione. Yeah. The red one, this has been amazing. Now, I don't know. Like, I don't know what made me pick it up or whatever the case is. But either way, it reintroduced me to this beautiful fragrance. okay? If you don't mind me staying here for just a second, okay? Because I know I went through the other ones really quick because we've talked about them. You know, there's a video for all of the fragrances that I have just talked about, right? This one right here, I did not mention at all this October because I wasn't checking for her. But she clearly was checking for me. This not only has my favorite note of pear. If you all didn't know, I love pear. Okay, give me pear all day. It has black currant. It also, in the base, has vanilla. It has cedar. This is a fruity dream. Okay, and I don't know if it was a combination of the vanilla, the black currant, the pear, the rose, the cedar. I don't know. The jasmine, there's like white floral in this. I don't know what it was. Also, there's like pineapple in this. Like, I don't know. That's what I'm trying to say. But this is a classic for me, like to me, designer wise for Giorgioarmani. But this took the cake for my tray. I reached for this just about twice every week. And that's saying a lot for me. I took, again, the travel size on my vacation. I could not put this down. So when I wasn't wearing these, this is what I was wearing. Fruity, vanilla, white floral, rose, black currant, pear, like amazing. Okay, so if you have this, maybe revisit this. I don't know if it's the fall season, the wind, I don't know, but it was amazing, excellent. It made me feel so pretty. It made me feel so put together. Even when I had sweatpants and a t-shirt on, I was like, girl, where are you going? Okay, I felt so put together, so lovely and classic and beautiful, like smelling good. And the compliments, galore, okay? Galore. Like, pull this out. Again, she was not on my tray, but I just had to pause for a second and just tell her thank you. Thank you. Yeah, I say thank you. Thank you for my experience for the month of October. I appreciated it. Now, did y'all know that it is almost we right next door to the month of November. That means we almost next door to Christmas. Why in the world did Amazon bring that book that they always trying to send during the Christmas season to this chat right here? Now, I will say, she is growing up. There was less circles in the toilet. You all know me. I went left. I'm going to come back. I'm almost done. I'm actually done. So if you need to click off, cool, because you all know how I am. I'm going to come back. I'm going to be done real quick. But she's actually growing up, okay? Your niece, your however you want to call her, okay? Your cousin, she is growing up, okay? Because there are less circles. Now I will say, two main things that she wants for Christmas. I'm going to talk about it real quick. Two main things she wants for Christmas. One, facial care. Isn't that something? Where'd she get that from? She wants facial care. But not only does she want facial care, she picked up Drunk Elephant. Do you all know what Drunk Elephant is from Sephora? Do you know how much that costs? And I'm talking about for an 8-year-old. Not a teenager, an 8-year-old. Like $50, $60? Yeah. Who'll pay for that? Yeah, not me. We trying to get you to stay consistent in cleaning your room, okay? Without being told, okay? A $50 facial care? Yeah, no. But if you all have any suggestions, this is my point. If you all professional facial care people out there, if you have any suggestions for me for an 8-year-old, I'm thinking elf. Okay? How about that? I'm thinking e.l.f. brand for facial care for an 8-year-old. But if there is another that you would suggest that's even less expensive, but good, that won't, break her out. She has sensitive skin, so let's keep that in mind. But if you have any suggestions for me for facial care for my child for Christmas, please put it down below. I would highly appreciate it because I just don't know. But I do know it's not going to be Drunk Elephant. I do know that. That's almost like Tatcha. Who? He. Nah. And then the other thing that she wants, which she is not getting, is a phone. She wants a phone, like a cell phone. She is chauffeured everywhere. She don't ride the bus. She is a drop-off child, okay, at private school. She gets dropped off. She don't ride nobody bus. She gets picked up. She don't ride nobody bus. So she has her iPad. She can always call me on her iPad. Like, she wants a phone at the age of 8. I'm not getting her no phone. Am I late on something? Did I miss a train of some sort of the phone phase for 8-year-old? Yeah, no. She got to catch me at like preteen, teen, something like that. A little bit more, definitely more responsibility, something like that. That's what I'm thinking. So those are things that your niece high on her list that she wants. The other things she does want, like some baby dolls, some little toys, some items. So, we'll look at those. She's into Stitch, So the blue character, is he a bear? A bat? What is Stitch? Is he an elephant? No, he ain't no elephant. Is he a rat? He has big ears. So I'm thinking he's a bat. No, he can't be no bat because bat will be... I don't even know what he is. But she into that. So, yeah. So all that to say, Christmas is around the corner. Are we ready? Parents, aunties, grandma, okay, cousins, family, nieces, nephews, auntie, uncle, paw, mama. Are we ready for Christmas? Are you all ready for Christmas? Well, if you're ready or not, I guess it's coming. So we better get ready, okay? So I hope that you all enjoy your holidays coming up. Thanksgiving's around the corner. It's just years wrapping on up. It's wrapping on up. Do you all have any end of year things that you want to do? I know Sephora is coming up. Sephora sales coming up. We also have Candle Day sale coming up. Now, I don't know if I want to do Candle Day. I don't know if I'm going to dip out on Candle Day or actually do Candle Day. I have so many candles that I'm trying to get rid of and utilize. I'm not sure. I'm not sure on Candle Day this season or this year. Let me know if you're going to shop the Candle Day sale. Okay. Yeah. So we have so many things coming up, so many different sales. Black Friday's coming up. So, we'll see what the hauls look like. If we get some hauls and some stuff, we'll see what's going on. But I would love to know, what are you looking at? What's going on with your Christmas? Are you excited for Christmas? Are you excited for Thanksgiving, for the holidays? I would love to know all the things. Of course. I'm your sis. Come on now. I like to talk clearly. All right. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me the thumbs up. Please share me. Sharing is caring. Okay. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.